In this video we will guide you how to set up an voicemail box in ICTPbx. First, log into ICTPbx portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu PBX and then click on the sub-menu Voicemail. Click on the Add Voicemail button and you will be redirected to the Add Voicemail page. Enter the box number and password for it. Enter the email on which notifications will be sent. Enter the number for sent the SMS, it is optional. Select the voicemail file option from the drop-down. Enable/disable the transcription and recording instructions checkbox. After entering all the required information, click on Save button to save the voicemail.